Okay, go up the steps. How do you do it?
Your faces, man. Ready for your treat?
Yeah.
There you go.
Potatoes.
Hey, yummy.
Boy.
That's no
We
candy.
can make French
That's
fries.
a good treat.
That's no treat.
Oh.
Well, what do you want for a treat?
I want some candy. I don't want a big fat potato.
Give Debbie potato.
Debbie, you got 2 potatoes.
Oh.
Yay! Who
Wow.
likes French fries?
I don't like potatoes.
Well, let's try
What do
it
you
this
think
way.
French fries are?
Let's try it this way. Since you guys are kind of special, I'll give you each 2 times, okay? There you go.
Yay!
And if nobody shows up, I'll give you what's left of these tomorrow. Don't you want your potato? Why don't you take them home and give them to Doug? Tell him Papa sent the potato.
What do you say now?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for
Try. Roger, get her paper towel.
She's drooling on my stuff.
Run, Debbie, run to the paper towels.
The vampire's drooling and it ain't blood.